Alright, there's vacuum bearing. It's going to show us the tricks of the train in 2004 GT. What do you do?
Not only does it look okay sitting here, it also starts up and runs, and it has a couple of engineering design features that are extraordinary.
So one of the favorite features of YouTube viewers is a cold start. So can I get back there by the tailpipe and you start it for us?
I'd love to blow exhaust in your face. You can edit that out.
He's a giver, I can tell. Alright, cool, right on, yeah. Alright, we're going to do a cold start on this 2017 Ford GT. That's pretty badass, isn't it?
Can't lower the rear wing until the car's moving 15 miles an hour. Because if somebody's hand is under it, it will crush it.
Oh.
So it won't drop till you're going 15 miles an hour because most people won't be able to keep up at that speed with their
Right, I got you. Okay, all right.
This feature when you're getting close to the driveway, lift it up to your curb driveway.
Alright, I want to give you a thumbs up to have you do it again when I'm a little bit further away. Yeah!
That's the track plate. The whole car is awesome.
I want to show them something here.
Yeah, that's the one I think.
All right.
It's over there.
This is the level of sport in normal mode.
Okay.
Again, track. I'm going to drop it down.
Yep.
Get your foot underneath there. That'll hurt.
Bed.
And down.
Holy crap. How low does it go in track mode?
I think it's 2.7 inches off the ground. Which is really not good for in town.
No.
And you need this double track for that.
Yeah. Oh my God. And how much horsepower is it putting out right now?
Right at 650 horsepower.
615?
650. 647. But that's, they generally provide a lower figure than the cars individually I know out at.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and let you close it down. I want to go back there, have you rev it up a couple times, and we'll shut her down, alright?
Sure. Like I said, 7-speed, automatic, dual clutch, which means...
These are paddle shifters right here, right?
You can select...
Check out the paddle shifters here.
Right, you can change the gears up and down. You can put it in manual mode, and then you just have the rev limiter keeping you from revving it too high. And then you're in full control of what gear and where you and the power that you're applying. But I can't shift and choose as quickly as computers can.
Right.
So yeah, the computers help make this the engineering marvel that it is.
Wow.
About 5 million lines of code in this thing, I was told. Certainly more than my 65 Mustang has.
I think so, right? Cool, thanks. We're going to go back to the back, let you rev it up a couple times and shut her down. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a freaking true-ass sports car right here. Check it out, Eric AZ.